Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to English class with Mr. Fizri. And today is Monday, 23rd of August 2021. Okay, hari ni hari Isnin 23 hari bulan 8 tahun 2021 dan selamat datang ke kelas Bahasa Inggeris. Okay, so as you can see, the pictures here are numbers. Okay, kita boleh nampak gambar nombor-nombor. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so actually today we want to repeat again about numbers. Kita nak ulang semula tentang number, but today I want to focus more on pronunciation. Okay, kita nak berlatih tentang sebutan, speaking, listening and speaking, dengar dan sebut. Okay, so I want you to practice read and speak of this number. Pronounce this number at home. Sebut nombor ini bersama-sama saya. Okay, so ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, one more time. Sekali lagi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, boleh So, I want you to record your voice. I want students to record the voice. Saya nak murid-murid rakam suara baca nombor number 1 until number 20. Kalau sangkut-sangkut, it's okay, tak apa, jangan risau, just rakam je. Kalau salah sikit pun tak apa, hantar je, no problem. Yang penting berlatih, ada latihan and berani untuk mencuba. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you can record your voice, rakam suara dan hantar. Okay, petang pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Tapi yang penting kehadiran kena tulis dululah. After you have finished watching this video, bila dah tengok video, tulis dulu nama untuk kehadiran. Okay, rakaman suara hantar kemudian, lambat sikit pun tak ada masalah. So that's all for today, and see you again. Goodbye.